So this is the fuel pump. So it usually comes in two compartments, this and this second transparent pipe. So what you are going to do is you see this hole. So this hole, you are going to place this transparent, the wider part into the hole. Very simple. And once you're done, you're good to go for that one. So the second thing is that you need to put a battery in it. So for you to put the battery, you are going to lose this lid. So like this. So I've loosed it, and you're going to need this big Tiger battery. So two of them. This. So you put them facing with this part facing down. So like this, one, and the second one too again. With this part facing down, two. Then you close it back. So once you have done, you are ready to use it. So all you just need to do is press your button. When you press the button, you hear a sound. You can see. So that's it. Have fun shopping.